Hey guys, so I'm starting off this makeup look by fixing my brows, which I've done off camera earlier that day. The first thing I'm going to do is actually apply foundation. My foundation is the CoverGirl Outlast Active in the shade Classic Tan. Alright, so here I'm going to use my contour palette by e.l.f. As you can see, that's the color or shade I'm going to use. I'm going to start off by contouring my nose. And then since I have the contour palette out, I'm just going to contour the rest of my face, which you guys will see. Okay, so what you see me doing here is applying my contour using a e.l.f. cheek hugging brush. Once I get it on there, I kind of like to just rub it to get it a little bit even, and then I'll go in with a big kabuki brush to blend it all the way. Now for my nose contour, I like to blend it out with my fingers. I feel like it's just easier to do. So yeah, I'm doing that. Alright, so here I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro Conceal in pure beige, and I'm going to use that on my nose once I contoured it, and I'm going to be going underneath the eye. Now here I'm going to be using my J-Cat Beauty banana powder just to bake a little bit underneath my eyes, on my chin, on my nose, right between my eyebrows, and get my highlighted areas. So for my eyes, I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution palette, and the first shade I'm going to do is my crease shade, which is the dark brown Enchanted. It's called Enchanted, and so I'm going to be using a little brush for that and apply. And just like my nose contour, I like to just go in and kind of blend it a little bit with my fingers. I guess I'm just used to doing that. It's just easy for me. So the next two shades I'm going to be using is the Orange Sweet and Sour and the Red Blush color 21. I'm going to mix those two together and then use those right above my crease color. the next thing that I'm going to be doing is using this Revolution Makeup or Makeup Revolution concealer. And what I do is I put a bit of it on the back of my hand, and I'm going to actually go in with this glitter palette. And because I don't have glitter glue, I'm going to be using concealer. And instead of using the concealer to cut my crease and then apply the shadow, I'm going to mix the glitter eyeshadow with the concealer and then apply it to my eyes. So this is the Smashbox the Cover Shop Bold Glitter Eye Palette, and I'm actually going to be using Pinky Ring for that color. So as you can see, I have the little brush, and I'm taking the concealer, putting it all over it, and I'm going to mix it in the eyeshadow. Make sure you cover your brush as much as you can because you don't want to just have concealer stuck on your eyelid. So I just take and rub that shadow all over it until my brush is covered. Like that. And then I'm just going to apply it. I'm going to try my best to cut a crease. I am not good at this at all, but I do what I can. And I'm going to cut my crease with that concealer glitter combo. I like using concealer for my eyeshadows because the undertone of it makes the eyeshadow really pop versus if you were to use it without the concealer, and it helps it stick to your eyelid. So I really like doing this. Now, often when I do this, it's not perfect when I first put it on. So what I like to go in and do, I put the color and shades on and stuff, and then I go back and clean it up. As you can see, I have some Q-tips and some setting spray, and I just go and clean the areas up and kind of perfect my crease a little bit more once I have it on. Alright, so here I'm just blending out the banana powder that I was setting with. Now I'm going to go in and use some bronzer. I'm using this Profusion Glamour Bar, this chocolate Glamour Bar palette. And I'm just going to put that on my face and then blend that out like I did the rest of my makeup. I put it on with the angle brush and then blend it with the big kabuki brush. Now, I really wasn't satisfied with my nose contour, so I'm just going to go in with a little brush and just go back in with some more contour just to perfect it a little bit and get it exactly how I want it, and then blend it out. So I'm going to be using some Wet n Wild highlighter. It's the highlighting bar, the Mega Glow. And y'all, when I was putting on my setting spray, when I rewatched it, I looked like I was dying, y'all. I had to edit that out. But yeah, I got my lashes on. I applied them off camera because my camera shut off. And I got this LA Colors lip oil that I got from Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to put that on, you know. I don't know what lashes I have on, so I'm sorry. Look at me. Lashes on, kind of feeling myself. Look. Now, I'm done with this look. I try to put my hair down a little bit just to kind of see how that looked with my makeup. I should have put a little bit more glitter on my eyes, but this is how it turned out. If my lashes do not look like they were properly on, that's probably because they were not, because sis, I am not good at these lashes, okay? Look at me trying to fix them. Don't judge me. I am not a pro at lashes. I'd rather wear mascara. But yeah, if my Valentine ain't happy, guess what? He can get cut. So I'll go to the bathroom just to kind of show you guys what it looks like in the mirror, you know. Yeah, so I really was trying to show y'all what it looked like with my eyes closed. I don't know why my eyes kept shaking. What in the world going on with me? But I'm done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know how you guys liked it. This is my first makeup tutorial, so no, it's not perfect, but you guys will see me later. Bye.